Alright, so today we're gonna be making an actual complete video about the Cfolo platform because it's actually working much better today. And basically what you're gonna have to do, or what you're gonna learn in this video, is how to actually use this platform to make as much money as this, right? You can see that we have literally $6,000 in profit in just a single market from this platform. So this, for beginners, this platform is literally a platform that gives you arbitrage signals. It's completely free, it's community run, and you don't have to worry about paying anything because you won't, right? It's free. So basically all it has to do is it goes into the market and it reads out arbitrage opportunities, lists it from where to buy and where to sell. You can see over here we have the buy section and we have the sell section. If you scroll down, you can see all the markets listed over here. There are quite tons of markets and also the cryptocurrencies themselves. You can switch between any cryptocurrency you want. Let's say you want to go to XRP, USDT, switch there quickly, easy peasy, right? Okay, so now let's see exactly how this works. So first of all, I want to point out, I didn't point this out in the previous video. You can actually switch to the different direction. Okay, so let me explain. So right now, to trade this, you go to your bit, it says buy. You use your XRP and convert it to USDT in your bit. Send your USDT to OceanX, it says sell. Then you change that USDT back to SRP, and the overall value should be additional 0.03 after paying the fees and everything, right? That's what they're saying over here. It's the same thing if you're doing with BTC. If you come over here to Binance, you change your BTC, in this case 1 BTC, to USDT, equaling about 111,884 USDT. And then you send that USDT to OceanX, right? And then you sell that USDT back to BTC, returning 1.05350236 BTC. You started with 1 BTC, you are ending up with 1.0535 BTC, which is equivalent to worth over $6,000. Hope it makes sense. Now you can actually switch this around. All you have to do is to go ahead and click on this. Once you've clicked on this, what happens? Every single thing switches around. But mind you, the profit also falls. Because over here, the profit over here is $118 for one whole BTC. So now, instead of you going from unstable cryptocurrency that moves to the one that is stable, right? That's volatile cryptocurrency to a stable cryptocurrency. You will go for a stable cryptocurrency to a volatile cryptocurrency to a stable cryptocurrency. So that means you start with USDT, you buy BTC, you send your BTC, you sell it to USDT, and you start with 111,766 USDT and you end with 111,884 USDT. The same thing with other platforms, other exchanges, right? You can switch them on and off depending on the one that works best for you. I like to keep them like this because I know that once I come in with my USDT, I'm exiting with my USDT. I'm not keeping any volatile cryptocurrency, right? That's that, okay? And yeah, so that's basically how, what I wanted to talk about today, right? Pick the exchange to buy, pick the exchange to sell, provide your capital and trade between them. Please do make sure to do personal more research, because the market moves, the market is not stagnant. What is showing right now could be different thing from what's showing in the next time, okay? So be very, very careful and trade with caution, right? If you actually enjoy this content, go ahead and like the video and give the video a subscribe, right? So go ahead and subscribe to the channel and do share the video to friends and family, okay? I will see you in the next one. Take care and happy ending.